Today we're going to go over how to change the display adjustments for the factory display while using the VLine or VLite. To do that, you'll just go to the VLine source, press the display button, and now you've got the OEM settings here. We find that higher contrast tends to work best on the older displays, and the brightness in the middle tends to be where we keep it. But depending on what it's like outside, if you have a lot of light coming onto your screen, sometimes you'll need to turn up the brightness a little more. And then it'll time out on its own, or you can just press OK, and then you can go back to using the VLine. For some older displays, like this 2002 Toyota Land Cruiser, we find that turning on a setting called high contrast text will help out and allow you to see things better. And to find that on Android 12 here, we'll go to the search settings, and we'll just start to type in high, and it's the first one that comes up, the high contrast text. And it'll bring you down to here, and then once you turn that on, you'll see that it starts to actually highlight kind of text and allow it to show up more vividly on the screen, whereas the other way it's a little more washed out. There we go.